The current Hyundai i30 generation is getting along in years. A major update was last done in 2020, but the bones date back to 2016. We've already captured some updated prototypes on camera, and now, it's time for a little bit of wagon love. Our spy photographer caught a pair of prototypes outside the Hyundai Technical Center in Germany. At a glance, we wouldn't blame you for thinking these white four doors are identical to the i30 hatchback and fastback prototypes we've previously seen. The black roof rails should be a dead giveaway to these cars being wagons, but a closer look at the backside shows a bit more junk in the trunk. The side glass at the C-pillar is clearly larger, owing to its long roof design. As such, heavy camouflage at the rear hides a longer body. Compared to previous sightings, it's easy to see the extra length behind the wheel. Design details are wholly obscured, though we can see new taillights peeking through the mesh. Curiously, heavy camo spreads forward to the doors on one prototype but not the other, and as such, we can see nothing major is happening there. The front clip is still hiding behind tarps, however, hiding modest tweaks to the lower fascia and grille. We can still see a familiar unequal hexagon outline through the covers, telling us this facelift won't be nearly as dramatic as that seen on the Elantra. Headlights, often a popular item to change for a facelift, appear identical to those on the current model. Add it all up, and we're likely looking at quite a bit of camo covering a fairly small update. That's why we think few, if any, changes will befall the i30's interior as well. Adjustments to the touchscreen are always a possibility, as are small trim updates. Similarly, we aren't expecting powertrain revisions under the hood. Our sources believe Hyundai will lift the veil on the i30 for all trim levels either late this year or early next. That means we're likely looking at a 2024 model year vehicle.